Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use Rhythm Heaven Studio, a fantastic fan-made tool. This program empowers you to create and play your very own custom rhythm game levels and remixes. It's a vibrant community project, offering a wealth of customization options to bring your unique musical visions to life. We'll cover everything from the basic interface to exporting your finished creations, so let's dive right in and get started on making some amazing rhythm games. Navigating Rhythm Heaven Studio is quite intuitive. The editor is primarily divided into two main sections: the top half, where you'll find all your game attributes and options, and the bottom half, which serves as your timeline for arranging elements. The toolbar at the top provides quick access to crucial functions like starting a new project, opening existing ones, saving your work, and using undo or redo. Remember to save frequently. You can also load your chosen music file using the Music Select option. Now for the fun part, crafting your rhythm game. You can easily drag and drop various game elements directly onto the timeline to construct your remix. Achieving perfect synchronization is key, so be sure to adjust the tempo and song offset as needed. If you're unsure of your song's beats per minute, the built-in Tempo Finder tool can help you tap it out and get a precise measurement. This ensures your custom level flows smoothly with your chosen audio. Once you've designed your level, it's time to test it out. You can enable autoplay for perfect playback while editing, or connect a controller and playtest it yourself. When your remix is complete, you have a couple of excellent sharing options. You can export your creation as a RIC file, which allows other Rhythm Heaven Studio users to open and play your custom level. Alternatively, you can export it as an audio file, like an MP3 or OGG, to share the musical experience more broadly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.